Hello friends, welcome back to this video of Basic Excel. In this video I will be explaining the data generation. For example, each time we need not type the numbers or any other data set for our learning purpose. So what we can do is we can generate the data or random numbers by using the inbuilt Excel functions. So that we will explain, that we will study in this particular video. So let us directly go to the data generation process, random number generation. So let me give one heading for this particular variable. Let me create a variable called sales in units. Okay, how many units are sold in one particular year. So here you can also put the years so that you can make out. So year 1, year 2, year 3. So let us have it for some 10 years or 10 to 11 years. Okay, here we can have the sales in units. Here just come to the cell number in front of year 1, and here is equal to type RAND random number. So there are two options. When you type rand is equal to rand, there are two options, rand and rand between. So let us select first, let us do this one, rand between. So this particular function, you can see here the explanation, returns a random number between the numbers you specify. So this function generates any number between two numbers, okay, that we have to specify. What is that range, okay, within which the numbers should be generated, you have to specify. So let us specify. Before that, let us activate this formula. You can double click over here, or you can press the tab button, and now you have to specify. Okay, now the formula is activated. You have to specify what is the bottom number and what is the topmost number. So within that, a number will be generated. So let me put the bottom number is 0. Any number you can put, and the top number is 5000. So I am asking Excel to give me any number between 0 to 5000. Okay, so now you can press enter. You need not close the bracket because only one bracket is open, so Excel will understand it, and Excel will automatically close this bracket. So simply press enter. So it has generated a number, that is 3787. Okay, so once one number is generated, you can simply double click over here in this corner. Okay, so the numbers will be generated automatically for all the 11 years. Okay, so this is one method of generating random number. And the second method here, the first option which we left out, the first option. So the selling price, suppose selling price, now you can observe these numbers changed because they have formulas everywhere. So you do something here that will keep on changing. So that is why we have to remove the formula. We have to copy paste it as special as values. That we will do later. Now let us create some selling price. So here again I am using the random number generation function is equal to rand. Now this time I am not using the second one, instead I am using the first one. Okay, rand, this one. Double click here and activate the formula. You don't do anything, just to close the bracket, don't type anything. Okay, this also generates some number. Suppose if you press enter, it generates number, but these numbers are less than 1. Okay, they are in decimal points. Positive numbers only, you will not get negative numbers. Positive numbers, but they are less than 1. So you will have less than 1. You will have numbers less than 1 and greater than 0. So all the numbers are positive numbers, but they are in decimals. Okay, so instead what you can do, that you can come here and edit this formula, and you can multiply this formula. Okay, multiply with the, for example, 100 or 10 or 100. So let us see what will happen. So now this will multiply with the 100 and some number is generated, 43.38. okay, 43.38. so this is the selling price, suppose. Okay, selling price. So so the random numbers generated. So these are the two methods of random number generation. You can use any of these methods. One best thing is in rand between, it will not generate numbers with decimal points. Okay, rand between, but rand function will generate the numbers with the decimal points. Okay, so 83.90 like that. So that creates rand function, generates random number with the decimal points. Rand between, it will generate the round figures only, round of numbers only. So I said each time you do something, these numbers will keep on changing. So what we should do, you should remove the formula from all the cells. Okay, there are formulas, you can see the formula here, so that has to be removed. So what you have to do, you select this data. So apply the selection method, Control Shift right and Control Shift down, and copy this data and come to the first cell of the data set. Here in my case it is E2. Come here and go to the home tab, and under home tab you can see here paste. Click on the bottom part of the paste options. Here you can select paste values. Okay, paste values in that first option. Click there. Now you can see only numbers, no formula. So now numbers will not change. Simply press escape to remove this moving line. So that will be the final stage. So this is how the random number generation, okay, or data generation. For our simple example purposes, instead of typing the numbers, you can simply generate by using random number function of the Excel. Okay, so thank you, bye bye.